Hi, this is Louis with Rosebud's Travels, and we're looking at an 18-foot Palomino. Palomini, and it's $17.99.
Has like a table to go with the couch.
Has a refrigerator as you come in the door, microwave at the top, heater at the bottom.
Nice little bath.
Bed at the back, storage around the bed. Actually, that's the front of the trailer, so there's a window and storage on each side of the bed. And there's a small bump out with the couch, double range, stereo, sink, a dry bath, toilet, shower, and a sink, and a medicine cabinet. And then here's what the microwave, refrigerator, and heater looks like. And another little cabinet there, pantry cabinet, and then a TV and wardrobe cabinets on each side of the bed. That's the Palomini.